Hi everybody, welcome back to Want to Step. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'll be guiding you on how you can change name on Facebook. So it's very easy and simple. To get started, go ahead and open up your Facebook application and you'll be appear with somewhat like this on your screen interface. Now go ahead and tap on the menu which is appear on the bottom right corner. Now go ahead and tap on the setting which is appear on the top right corner near the search bar. Now in here you can see the account center. Go ahead and tap on it. Now here you can see profiles. Go ahead and tap on it. Now select your profile and there is the name written. Go ahead and tap on name. Now here we can change the name. You can just go ahead and remove the name. You can just add your first and last name, and if you have got middle name you can also add that and save the changes and you are good to go. So if you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.